Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let us express our gratitude to God Almighty for giving us the opportunity to gather here today. We also extend our heartfelt thanks to Mr. Bagus Anugrah Ramadan, STMT, as our lecturer for the Technology Literacy course for his guidance and support. Today, we students of Class 10, Batch 48, Industrial Engineering Department, are honored to present our topic title. So the title is Utilization of IoT and AR in Campus Environments and the Industrial Engineering Sector. So in this presentation, we aim to explore how IoT or Internet of Things and AR or augmented reality can be effectively applied in academic settings and the field of industrial engineering. These technologies have immense potential to revolutionize the way we learn, work, and innovate. So let us begin our presentation. The first one, what is IoT? So IoT is a major innovation in how technology interacts with the world around us. At its core, IoT connects everyday objects, devices, and machines to the internet. These connections allow devices to communicate with each other, gather data, and take actions without human intervention. For example, in a smart home, devices like thermostats, lights, and security cameras are all connected. They can work together to improve confidence, save energy, and even enhance safety. In industrial settings, IoT helps monitor equipment performance, IoT helps monitor equipment performance, track inventory, and optimize production process. The key goal of IoT is to make life and work more efficient by enabling devices to work smarter. Next, and what is AR? Augmented reality or AR is a technology that integrates the real world with computer generated digital content. Unlike virtual reality, which creates a fully virtual environment, AR overlays digital contents into the real world. This means we can still see and interact with our physical surroundings while enjoying digital enhancements. For example, AR is used in mobile apps like games or educational tools to provide an interactive experience. And in industrial engineering, AR can help visualize complex designs, guide workers through assembly tasks, or improve training by simulating real-world scenarios. AR is a bridge between the physical and digital world, making information more accessible and engaging. So as we can see, both IoT and AR have individual strengths. Together, they open the door to endless possibilities for innovation in education, industry, and daily life.
And the next integration of IoT and AR, augmented reality, and the Internet of Things are two separate but complementary technology. While IoT connect devices to collect and distribute data, AR incorporates digital element into the real world to create interactive experience. AR can display data from IoT device in real time, helping user understand information more easily, and AR can be used to enhance the user experience with data. The user experience with data collected by IoT device. For example, in an industrial context, AR allow operator to view real-time data from machine connects via IoT, providing better contextual information and improving operational efficiency. And
In the context of Internet of Things, IoT-based device and system, the use of AR can improve learning efficiency. The application of augmented reality technology in education especially in the field of industrial engineering, can be realized through several methods. For example, uh, number one, in the presentation, production process visualization, augmented reality, AR, enables students to observe and comprehend production process in the real time by presenting instructions and three-dimensional models of the machine of component under examination. Number two, assembly simulation. By utilizing augmented reality, students can engage in virtual product assembly thereby minimizing the risk of errors and exchanging their comprehension of the assembly process. Number three, maintenance maintenance training offers interactive instruction for machinery upkeep and repair, assisting students in comprehending the functionality of heavy equipment and appropriate maintenance method. Number four, product development. Students can use augmented reality to examine product design in the three dimension. This enables them to assess and modify design directly. The use of AR in industrial engineering education not only increases student engagement, but also prepares them for real-world challenge.
Okay, the next is innovation in the utilization of IoT and AR within the industrial engineering sector. In the industrial engineering sector, particularly within manufacturing, AR proves beneficial in several ways. Firstly, in the design and the development of products, AR significantly enhances the process by integrating designs elements into product prototypes. This capability fosters creativity among employees and expedites collaboration across departments. Second, quality control process. The utilization of AR empowers quality assurance personnel to inspect products and components with enhanced speed and precision. It facilitates the visualization of potential issues and offers guidance for their resolution. This technology also fosters remote collaboration among workers situated in various locations, thereby accelerating the quality inspection process. Prominent companies have adopted AR production system that direct operators through the quality control procedure and autonomously identify defects, significantly decreasing the time necessary for product inspection. And the third example is 3D printing, a process that involves creating objects through computer-aided design or CAD in a staged manner. In this context, AR serves as a crucial tool for practice prior to the commencement of the process. Much like 3D printing, which accelerates production and prototyping, AR enhances modeling by providing a visual representation of the design before the object is dispatched to the 3D printer. Several companies, including Microsoft and Hewlett Packard, are presently advancing technologies that merge augmented reality with three-dimensional elements.
So this is conclusion about all of this. In the contemporary digital landscape, the integration of the Internet of Things, or usually we call the IoT and the augmented reality AR, within the campus environment presents to new avenues to exchange the educational experience. This technology aims to render the learning process more interactive, efficient, and engaging. The student will have the ability to access information in the real time, interact with the learning materials in the three dimensions, and navigate campus facility with greater. Looking ahead, The application of IoT and AR in education is poised to not only revolutionize teaching methodologies, but also cultivate a generation equipped to tackle the complex of the and often evolving industrial landscape. This transformation is anticipate to force more intelligent and innovative campus while promoting inclusive and sustainable learning practice.
Thank you for your attention throughout our presentation. We hope the topic has given you new insights into how these technologies can bring innovation to both academic and professional fields. And we also want to express our gratitude to Mr. Bagus Anugrah Ramadan STMT for giving us the opportunity to explore and present this topic. If you have any questions or feedback, we will be happy to discuss them further. Once again, thank you, and we hope this presentation has been valuable for everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.